Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is hopefully going to be super quick. This is literally no makeup. I just threw my hair up for the first time today. Haven't brushed my teeth. It's 5 p.m. work from home mom life. But this is a crazy video. This is going to be probably one of my most random, weirdest. Here's what happened. I would love for all of my subscribers to go over and check out my dear friend Nicole's channel at Soul Inspired Seller, S-O-U-L. So we plan to do a collab unboxing, which we will still do. I just don't know when this is going to happen now. We both purchased boxes the same day, and ThredUp sent me the wrong box. So long story short, this happened. I received this box yesterday morning, and thank you so much. I don't have my phone with me. One of my viewers, you are so sweet. You always have the most positive comments. You guys, getting a hold of ThredUp customer service, I've never had to do that before. I'm pretty sure I sent a message to their support team. I replied to my order, which got bounced back to me. I replied to their Facebook page. And finally, someone said, if you go to their rescues page and scroll down, there is a way to contact their rescues department. Anyway, Nicole is her name, Soul Inspired Sellers, and I ordered the Namebrand mystery handbag boxes, which I took a screenshot, thank goodness, of when a box is available. If you hover over it, it will show you what you are supposed to get. And that particular box guarantees you get at least one item from the following brands. And I thought that was great, okay? So both of our boxes were coming from two different. Mine was coming from Georgia. Hers was coming from Pennsylvania. We both got our boxes yesterday. I got my box, you guys. I thankfully am kind of a peeker. I wanted to make sure, number one, this was the box. And number two, I kind of wanted to see like at least one thing before I did my recording. And all 5 of my items are Coach, which that does not fall on their list of what I should have received. I did not order a Coach handbag box. And so I finally got a hold of someone, and I'm happy to report that after all of that, I got an email response. It was more than 24 hours, but they sent me a shipping label. They are taking back this box, and they claim they are going to send me the Namebrand handbags box. So my collab unboxing will have to wait, I don't know how long, but I wanted to unbox what would be a Coach unboxing, just so you can see what would come in that. And I've already looked at these items, so I thought, hey, why not make a video? I know that some of you guys like to know what comes in these boxes. So here we go. This is the Coach unboxing that should have been a Namebrand handbag. So of course I will do my unboxing when it officially comes, but I do have to say I am grateful that ThredUp sent me a return label, for one, actually responded to me, and they're doing me right. I have ordered, as you've watched my channel, so many rescue boxes. So it was disappointing to get something that I didn't order, but spoiler alert, I'm not sad they're taking this back. So if you have seen the Coach bags, I will tell you that if you order the bag, the Coach or the Namebrand handbags, it does say you are guaranteed to get 4 handbags plus 1 accessory. So the first thing I pulled out of this box, before I messaged Nicole and I was like, I think there's a problem, was this. Now maybe you guys can help me. I'm not sure that this is authentic. So my Google Lens search shows me that this is a Coach Poppy wristlet. It is in such terrible condition. I know that my ring light and my camera probably make it look okay, but it's pretty bad. And the only tag inside is this little tag that says made in China. And there are a couple of comps or ones listed on Poshmark, but I'm just not sure, but it's fine because it's going back. So this is what they consider the accessory. And this box is $100. So this is like around $20 for this item. So yeah, I'm glad they're taking it back. Okay, this next piece, this was probably the best thing that came in this box. Now on the outside, there's literally nothing that says Coach from Google Lens, I learned that this is probably vintage. It is a briefcase bag. Okay, it does open up pretty big. The only thing that says Coach is this inside pocket. Let's see if I can show you. Okay, and some of, like on Poshmark, I don't know. This starts with G4C9896. Now, some people claim that theirs are from the 1970s. Some people claim that they're new. I'm not sure, but what I can tell you is that this smells really bad. So I'm glad it's going back. All right, this item, I would have not been terrible. Like, part of my reasoning for wanting to do a handbags was I could use a new purse myself. You know, we are long out of the diaper stage, so I like carrying a purse. But this is just not in the greatest condition. It's got, you see this? It's got some things on the back that I don't think would even polish out. I do think that everything beside, I'm not sure about that little wristlet. I think everything else is authentic. Coach is unfortunately one of those brands that are counterfeited often. It's got a pocket on the front. So this is okay. I did run comps on, it's 5 total items, $100. I would have been lucky to maybe make my money back. So again, this is just to show you guys, if you order a Coach bag, what you might get. Now this bag wasn't bad. I have a bag very similar to this, which I do love, I do carry. This is probably the newest item in the box. However, it is very, very worn. Again, it's coming across pretty great, but I don't know if you can see these yellow marks. It's almost on the imprint of certain letters and numbers. I'm not sure, but this is just okay. I don't know what to say about it. So I know that some of my friends have had amazing Coach rescue boxes. It's just not my thing. I didn't want to order a Coach box. Sorry, I cannot speak. It's the witching hour. If you have children, my kids are doing homework. It's just, whew, happy Wednesday. Yeah, so this is just okay. I wanted a name brand handbag box, which I'm hoping I will eventually get. This one, the comps, this is the last bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the last one. This is kind of, I don't remember the name. This bag goes for maybe $35, even in fantastic condition, which this one is in pretty great shape. Everything looks pretty good. I'm fairly confident it is authentic. So, you know, there's that. The creamish white one, the crossbody, the briefcase that smells pretty bad, and this little poppy, and this is $100. So they did send me a return label. This box is going back. You will not find these items for sale in any of my closets, and I hope that they send me a name brand handbag rescue box pretty soon. The email I got did say they would message me when they have shipped my current item. Now I will give ThredUp a high five, whatever. I have spent, oh my gosh, if I told you guys how many points I've racked up just by buying rescue boxes, this is my first issue, if you will. I mean, they totally sent me the wrong box. And the, where is it? The actual form in here does say name brand handbags, which this is not. This is obviously a Coach box. I did not get any of the brands they said I was guaranteed to get at least one of. They screwed up. So I am grateful that they, I thank you to the viewer. I messaged all of the things, and the one email they finally responded to was the one that I did not even send them photos. So they did take my word for it. I'm an honest person. And they just sent me the label. So this is going back. I told them I would have this out to them tomorrow. They did not even say that this had to be returned to them before they ship my new one. So I do hope that they follow through. You know, I will put my video up when that actually happens. And yeah, so before I send this out in the morning, I'm going to send this with my husband on his way to school drop off and send that back on its way. So if you end up getting this Coach box, I mean, if you order a Coach box, this might be what you get. Now you have an idea. So I hope that helps you guys. And please subscribe to my friend Nicole. She's only about 75 subscribers away from being monetized, which is amazing. And she's a nurse. She's working the front lines. She's incredible. So please make sure you go subscribe to her channel. I will make sure I link it below so that there's no confusion. And eventually we will be doing a who got the better box when I actually get the correct box. So I hope you guys have a great day. Have a great middle of the week, and I'll be back soon with, I've got a men's unboxing to do for you. So that is hopefully going to be coming out soon. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.